Hello friend. In this quick video I would like to give a brief introduction to Advanced Access Manager PHP Framework. This framework is embedded in AAM version 7, and at the time of recording of this video you can actually download it from official WordPress.org repository. Alright, this framework is designed for developers, and it is extremely simple but yet extremely powerful if you want to take the full control over your access controls and preferences for any user, role, visitors, or default. So let's just show you how it works. There is a single entry point to the entire framework, and it is AAM API method. So here I have just a simple boilerplate plugin that does nothing except create this page right here in Tools, boilerplate, and we're gonna use it just to test to run different pieces of code. All right, so let's have a simple requirement. We would like to restrict the ability for all editors to edit one specific post. To do so, we are invoking posts method. Post message return the instance of a post service. Now let me step back and explain you a little bit what services are. At the time of recording this video, there are 21 different services available in a framework. Some of them are premium, but most are free, and each of them are responsible for a very specific job. For example, a URL service allows you to manage access to any URLs on your site. Login redirect or logout redirects, or accordingly ability to redefine the default workflow for login and logouts. Let's say widgets allows you to manage access to widgets on a dashboard, admin dashboard, or on a front end. And there are services like posts, terms, taxonomies, and post types. These allow you to manage access to your content, and so on. So I'm not going to be going over each service. You can find the documentation here. And you can also experiment with those services yourself. So in our particular case, we would like to protect. Let's protect. In post, we go to posts, and let's say we want to protect the simple page. Any user who belongs to editor role, we would like to restrict the ability to edit this post. To do so, we're invoking the post service, and here each service accepts two arguments: access level and settings. So access level, it's AAM recognizes 4 different access levels. It's a role, a user, visitor, and default. In other words, to whom you define access controls. In our case, we want to do it for a role editor. The second argument is settings. I'm not going to be going into details for this particular setting, but essentially it's used to further fine-tune how the service behaves. It's typically used to define error handling, but there will be a separate video for error handlings. And now, as we have instance of a post service, we can deny. Post identifier can be either post ID, or it can be a post instance. It's up to you what you prefer. And we deny ability to edit. Okay, so this will set the permission to deny for all the editors the ability to edit a post with ID 1. All right, let's go and run the code. Tools, run the code. Boolean true, which means the permissions were set. And now let's go and log in as one of the editors. here we go. We have a Joe White who is an editor. Let me create a passwordless URL so I don't have to type username and password. I logged in here as Joe White. Go to posts, and as you can see, this post is no longer allowed for editing. So this is a just a demo how the framework works, and essentially what you need to think about when you work with the frameworks is to whom you manage access controls and preferences, which is access levels, and there's actually another video about access levels and what they are, and services. And there are 21 different services for various of tasks, and yeah, so give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.